Welcome to the world of BMW enthusiasts, where precision engineering meets passionate restoration. Today, we are diving into the BMW M50B25 Engine Restoration, a project that blends mechanical skill, attention to detail, and a love for automotive history.
Hi, I'm Naeem, and today we'll take you through the full restoration process of the iconic M50B25 engine. From disassembly to reassembly, let's break down every step to bring this powerhouse back to life.
The M50B25 is a 2.5L inline-six engine produced by BMW in the early 1990s. It's known for its smooth power delivery, making it a favorite among enthusiasts. It features a DOHC design with variable valve timing and an iron block. But after years of use, these engines can suffer from wear and tear, leading to lower performance and reliability issues. Today, we're going to breathe new life into one of these engines by restoring it to its former glory.
Before we can rebuild the engine, we need to carefully disassemble it.
Start by draining the fluids, coolant, oil, and fuel to avoid any mess later on. As you take apart the engine, make sure to label every part and keep the bolts organized. It's easy to lose track of the smaller components, so a simple labeling system will save you a lot of headaches during reassembly. Here, you'll want to inspect the cylinder head for cracks or warping. If you're doing a full restoration, it's worth sending the head off to a machine shop for resurfacing and valve work.
Now, let's inspect the core components. Check the crankshaft for any signs of wear or scoring.
Also, ensure the pistons are in good condition. If they're damaged, this is a perfect time to replace them. During a restoration, replacing worn-out components is crucial. New bearings, piston rings, gaskets, and seals will ensure your engine runs as smoothly as it did when it first came off the production line. Take extra care when installing the new parts. Using the correct torque specs is critical to maintaining the engine's performance and longevity. With the old parts removed, it's time for the reassembly. Begin by installing the crankshaft and pistons, ensuring everything is properly aligned and torqued. Reinstall the timing chain or belt, making sure the timing marks align correctly. This step is crucial. If the timing is off, the engine won't run properly. Now, it's all about putting everything back together. From the intake manifold to the valve covers, make sure everything is sealed and torqued down to spec. Don't forget to check all your electrical connections as well. With the engine fully reassembled, we're ready for one of the most satisfying moments of the restoration process, the first start. After making sure all systems are functioning, coolant levels, oil pressure, and timing, start the engine and listen for any unusual noises. If everything sounds smooth, congratulations, you've successfully restored a BMW M50B25 engine. It's truly incredible to see a classic engine come back to life. Whether you're restoring for performance or just preserving automotive history, this process is as rewarding as it gets.
Thanks for joining us in this engine restoration journey. Until next time, keep your BMW running strong.